Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make a maze game in Scratch. Let's get started. First let's start by adding all the sprites. Delete this sprite, add a player sprite, then add a maze. After you do that, name it as maze. Now let's start by coding for maze. When green flag click, drag forever, go to X 0 and also Y 0. After you do that, this maze looks so small, so change its size to 150. Now as you can see, when I press green flag, it goes exactly at the center and the size is also much better than the previous one. Now what you have to do is just reduce the size of this, as this is a little big, so keep it 40, no, keep it 30, much better. Okay, now let's start by coding. When green flag clicked, go drag forever, then if then duplicate, add inside this and duplicate this, again duplicate this and drag it, again duplicate this. Now you can see this we have it. And now if then, drag this key, space pressed, right arrow key pressed, change X by 5 and duplicate this, add this over here and keep it -5, exactly opposite of this. And as I have this many costumes of the player, for the eye movement you can also do this, is switch costume to where the costume is, right, so keep it right. And now if then, keep it touching color, add it from here somewhere or here. And now change X by 5. As you can see, it isn't going over here, it isn't going. And duplicate this. Oh, I duplicated the whole thing. And also duplicate this again, keep it over here, and now drag it over here, left arrow key pressed, and keep this as -5 and keep this as 5 and switch costume to left. And as you can see here, code is exact how we want it. See, it is also moving but not going much, there, done. But for the up and down also we need to do, so it is going left, right, everywhere, but not up and down. So for that, what you need to do is again duplicate this and add over here, up arrow key pressed, and instead of X you remove this change X by, instead you should keep change Y by. And now add it over here, go to motion category, change Y by -5, and for the upper one keep it change Y by 5 and throw this out or remove it, duplicate this, duplicate, then add over here, down arrow key pressed, set this to down, change y by -5 and this keep it as 5. As now you can see it will work. Let's test. As you can see it is going up, but sometimes what's happening is we need to edit the maze and keep everywhere as black. See, sometimes it's going, sometimes it isn't, because the color over here is different, here is different, and the reason is that it is not going properly. See, here it is going a little, then not like that. See, here it is going. Why? That's the reason is the color is everywhere different and we have added the code only for one color, which actually doesn't work. If you import from Google or anywhere, sometimes this happens, so you need to edit it. For that, let's get started. It takes a little time, I know. I need to go to vector. Oh, the size of this is so big, the eraser. No, it should be 20. Okay, now as you can see, now keep the size of this as 20 and plus. As you can see, you can be able to edit everywhere. Wherever you want, you can erase, and here also done. As you can see, I am able to do this properly. And now at the corners you won't be able to do, as the size of the eraser is so big. According to that, you need to take the size of that side, a little smaller. As you can see, I am doing it here like this. You can do if you get a bug. I've not done this before, as few people don't know what to do. Sometimes they delete the maze, again they import. It happens a lot. So for the tutorial, for people like that, those who are struggling with that problem, they can manage by seeing this video. And if you are a new scratcher, you can see my videos, as I keep tutorials better and basic with proper tutorial. Explanation, proper explanation. Now I am doing this, have to do like this, keep on doing. Sometimes it is, it takes a lot of time, but however, I will show you the complete maze after it is done, how it works. It works properly, I knew it. As you can see, I am doing one by one. Keep it 20. Done. As you can see, I am completing it properly. but the maze is, zooming out over there also on the stage. As you can see, I'm almost done till here, and you can also change the size of the mouse. Keep it 30. Now it is much better size, and you can see I'm able to do properly. Done. It takes a lot of time for this, as it is so big. And also you can design your own maze if you want by using lines instead of exporting. It is much easier than doing this, but you need to have a proper mindset. How should it be? It's difficult. Or else you can also do one thing, is add the code for different types of colors. Till here I will do, and I will stop. And also costumes, zoom out, and done. And the size of this should be 100 only. Oh, I kept it 10. No, 150. Proper, exactly. You can see over here. Here a little needs to be done. Over here, delete it at the corners. Done. A little done. Now what you can do is see every color. Just add or duplicate this, add more colors, duplicate this, remove this. There are like only 3 colors inside over there. Keep it nah. Why am I not able to add over here? Better to do this. Done. Now duplicate this, duplicate this, duplicate this. As one color is already done, now take the next color also. Keep it not this. Okay. And this as something totally different. Here you can see it's more black. Now actually you don't need this, only you need this color. Let's try by doing this at least. Then duplicate this add over here. Delete block, delete block, delete block, delete block. Then duplicate this, add it over here, duplicate this, add it over here. Now let's test. As you can see, it is not going up nor down, but it is going from there. The third color should be actually also black. If it is touching color black, then also better to duplicate this from here. Enough. Remove this, duplicate, add it over here, and add this over here. Like this, you can change the color to black also over here. And as you can see, after I do this, I need to delete this, add this, duplicate, and add here, again duplicate for adding here, delete these 3 blocks, add over here, delete these 3 blocks, then add over here, here, duplicate it again and keep it removed from here, and delete 3 blocks, and done. As you can see, it is working properly. And also the compulsory code is should go to X negative 129 and as you can see, it should go here, whatever it is. Okay, so when green flag clicked, go to X, go to X 160 and Y negative 157. Now after you do this, don't add it in forever or else it won't even move at all. Now let's test the game. As you can see, it is getting stuck over here. The reason is what happened, the game broke. Now still it is not able to move, means there is a little mistake in this. I need to reduce the size of this to 25. Now let's test. Now as you can see, it is going everywhere you want, and as you can see here, everywhere. If it is touching the block, if it isn't going. See, this maze is also a little confusing. If you want, I will give you the code for not code the link of the maze from where I took, and then you can use this maze in your game also. And this is the end, and this is the start. And bye guys, have a nice day ahead. Don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe me, then I will show you whatever game you want. You can suggest to me any game, means any game, whatever you like to give that game, I will do. And in next video I am planning to show how to grow a garden. If possible, I will do that. Bye, have a nice day ahead. Don't forget to subscribe.